So here we are. We need to get rid of this grease that has been here over the years, you know. And I have tried everything I could. I bought so many products. None of them, even those specialized for ovens, didn't work. But there is one thing that does work, and I want to share it with you. It's a razor blade. A razor blade. So all you have to do is scrape. You know, scrape. Make sure you have a good blade. And everything will go away. It might take you like 15 minutes to do the whole door, maybe 20, but you have a wonderful door, I can assure you. See? That's all gone. That's all gone. That's gone. And look, everything that I've already taken out. So you will love that, I can tell you. So here is the result. I have spent about 15-20 minutes with the razor blade scraping the whole glass door of the oven, and then I'm wiping, and it looks much better. Everything is gone. Everything is gone. So I wish you the best.